Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to use filter on your data and to remove some points from your data under certain criteria. For example, I have imported my data and have plotted it like you see on the screen, and I want to filter the y-axis data, which correspond to column 2 you see over here. So I want to filter some values out of this data. That I can do by either clicking on the filter icon in this place or coming to data tab and clicking on the filter option. So here in the filter expression, I define my expression, the rule that I want to apply, and that is column 2 data lesser than 0.75. So when I set this rule, only the data set which has value lesser than zero point 0.5 in column 2 will be plotted in the plot. And here I add an output prefix FLT. So I call that filter data and I click on this. I can add a suffix as well, or I can leave it blank. So I apply this to, and you see the filter data of column 2 is created, and you see here some columns are removed because the data points is 276, whereas in column 2 it is 301. So too many data points has been removed from the data. I close this window and I add another XY widget, and now in the X data I enter column 1, and in the Y data I enter filter column 2 data. And you see now the points above 0.75 has been removed from the data set. I can define other rules so that I can remove values lesser at this side as well. For that, I again right click on the filter data and click edit to open the same window. And here to define another rule, I put this inside and I change this rule to column 2 greater than, and I put minus 0.15. If I apply this, you see now the data points has been reduced from 301 to 244, and the same has happened here in the graph. Some values are omitted from the graph. So this way you can apply filter on the y-axis. The same you can do with the x-axis. For example, I further want to filter this value along x-axis, and I click on edit, and then I change this column 1, and in column 1 the values are from -3 to 3, so I change this from this one to +2. Column 2 is lesser than 2 and greater than minus, and I also convert this to column 1 because the column 1 data is my x data. So I uncheck this one and then check column 1 and then apply this, and you see here column 1 data is generated over here. So I close this, and now in the column 1 data I enter filter column 1 data. You see the values along x-axis are also being filtered. So this way you can filter your data either along x-axis or y-axis or both at the same time. Thanks for watching.